Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. In the last class, we completed exercise 6A section 1 problems. Now we will do exercise 6A section 2 important problems, not all the problems, very important problems. Okay na? Now section 2 second question, second one. If tan 20 is equals to P, prove that tan 610 degrees plus tan 700 degrees by tan 560 degrees minus tan 470 degrees is equals to 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. So it is very important 2 marks question. Very important 2 marks question. So what is given? Given tan 20 is equals to p. Tan 20 degrees is equals to p. Given tan 20 is equals to p. Now take this LHS. LHS tan 610 degrees plus tan 700 divided by tan 560 minus tan 470 is equals to, so 610 degrees. So we have to write every angle in terms of multiple angles, multiples of 90 degrees, multiple of 90 రాయండి. అంటే 610 అంటే ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం? 90 అంటే 9 6 are 54, 6 9 540 plus 540 plus 70, 540 plus 70 plus tan 700 is equals to 9 6 are 63, 630 plus 70, 630 plus 70 degrees by 560 is equals to 540 tan 540 plus 20 degrees. Multiples of 90 రాస్తున్నాం చూడండి. అంటే 6 9s are 54 కదా, అంటే 540 plus 70, 9 7s are 63 కదా, 630 plus 70 equals 700. Next 470 is equals to 450 plus 20, 450 plus 20. So tan 540 is equals to, how can I write? 6 9s are 6 into 90 plus 70 plus this is 7 into 90 plus 70 by 540 is equals to tan 6 into 90 plus 20 minus tan 5 are 5 into 90 plus 20 degrees, 5 into 90 plus 20 degrees. Now we are check. So it is a multiples of 90, even multiples of 90 degrees. Even multiples of 90 వస్తే రేషియో సేమ్ వస్తుంది, రేషియో చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. అంటే tan అంటే tan ఏ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? నౌ టేక్ tan 70 degrees because it is a even multiples of 90. Even multiples of 90 ఉంటే రేషియో ఏది ఉంటే అదే రేషియో వస్తుంది. tan ఉంటే tan వస్తుంది, cos ఉంటే cos వస్తుంది, sin ఉంటే sin వస్తుంది, రేషియో చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. ఇప్పుడు సైన్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్స్. సో 90s ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మనకి? 6 90s కదా, అంటే 1 2 3 4 90s కదా, 5 6 90s అంటే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. ప్లస్ 70 ఉంది కదా, అంటే ప్లస్ 70 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఈ క్వాడ్రంట్లో వస్తుంది. అంటే ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్? థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. అంటే టోటల్ అంటే 540 ప్లస్ 70 అంటే ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్లో? 610 అంటే ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఉంటుంది? థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. ఇన్ థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ tan ఎలా ఉంటుంది? All sin t curves, all sin t curves in third quadrant tan is positive, so take positive value only. Okay na? Next tan 7 into 90, 7 into lies in 90 will lies which quadrant? 790s కదా, అంటే 1 6 అంటే ఇంతవరకు వస్తుంది, 7 అంటే ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది, 790s plus 70 కదా, అంటే it lies in fourth quadrant. 700 degrees lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth రో tan ఎలా ఉంటుంది? tan నెగిటివ్, అంటే మైనస్ సైన్ తీసుకోండి. ఆడ్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 90 కదా, ఆడ్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 90 నుంచి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, tan కి cot వస్తుంది. సో cot 70 degrees, cot 70 degrees, cot 70 degrees కరెక్టే కదా, రైట్. బై సేమ్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో ఈవెన్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 60 tan ఏ వస్తుంది. అంటే ఏ యాంగిల్? 560 కదా, అంటే లైస్ ఇన్ థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. 560 అంటే ఇంతవరకు వస్తుంది, 690s. 20 అంటే ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ వస్తుంది. థర్డ్లో tan పాజిటివ్. సో ఈవెన్ మల్టిపుల్స్ కదా, tan ఏ వస్తుంది, tan 20 degrees minus 5 into 90 అంటే 490s అంటే 1 టోటల్ రొటేషన్. 5 అంటే ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ 20 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఈ క్వాడ్రంట్, సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. ఇన్ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ tan is negative. ఇన్ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ tan is negative. అంటే 470 degrees lies in which quadrant? సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. ఓకేనా? tan నెగిటివ్ కదా, అంటే మైనస్. సో ఆడ్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 90. ఆడ్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 90 అంటే రేషియో చేంజ్ అవ్వాలి, tanకి cot రావాలి. cot 20 degrees. cot 20 degrees. So minus into minus becomes plus. Tan 70 degrees minus cot 70 degrees. So we can write this 70 degrees as, ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, 90 minus 20 రాయొచ్చు కదా. tan 90 minus 20, 70 అంటే 70 is equals 90 minus 20. ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్, cot 70 అంటే 90 minus 20, 90 minus 20 divided by tan 20. tan 20 minus into minus plus cot 20. cot 20. రైట్. tan 90 minus theta. tan 90 అంటే 90 minus theta అంటే ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్. ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఆల్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్. సో ఆడ్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 90 కదా. tan 90 minus theta అంటే cot theta. సో cot theta ఇక్కడ సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నా. cot theta అంటే cot 20 degrees minus cot 90 minus theta అంటే tan theta minus tan theta, tan 20 degrees by tan 20 plus cot 20, tan 20 plus cot 20. So we know the value of tan 20 only, we don't know the cot 20. So cot ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, cot theta is equals to reciprocal of tan theta. అంటే cot 20 is equals, we can write this as 1 by tan 20 రాయొచ్చు. 1 by tan 20 minus tan 20 divided by tan 20 plus cot 20 is equals to 1 by tan 20. 1 by tan 20. 1 by tan 20. What is tan 20 degrees value? P. Substitute P value is equals to 1 by P. Tan 20 value P kada, minus P by P plus 1 by P. Now take the LCM. P into P, P square. So 1 minus P square by P divided by P into P, P square. P square plus 1 by P. P square plus 1 by P. So P gets cancelled. 1 minus P square by 1 plus P square. This is a solution. That is a RHS. By taking LHS, we have to prove RHS. This is LHS. LHS is equals to, this is RHS. So tan 61 degrees plus tan 700 degrees by tan 560 minus tan 470 is equals to what? 1 minus P square by 1 plus P square. Every angle ఎలా రాయాలంటే మనం multiples of 90 రాయండి. If it is even multiples of 90, ratio does not change. If it is odd multiples of 90, ratio will change. Okay na? So this is a solution of second question. Second one, very important 2 marks question. Now second question, third one, very important 2 marks question. Very important. If alpha comma beta are complementary angles, such that B sin alpha is equals to A, find the value of sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. So what is given? Given B sin alpha is equals to A. B sin alpha is equals to A. B sin alpha is equals to A. So sin alpha is equal to, what will happen? A by B. Sin alpha is equals to A by B. And in the question, what is given? Alpha comma beta are complementary angles. Given alpha comma beta are complementary angles. Alpha comma beta are complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Therefore complementary means sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. Therefore alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degrees. Alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degrees. So what will have? Beta is equals, what will happen? Beta is equals to 90 minus alpha. Beta is equals to 90 minus alpha. Now take given value, this value sin alpha. Now sin alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha into sin beta is equals to, so substitute beta value here, sin alpha into cos beta. Beta is equals to what? 90 minus alpha. 90 minus alpha minus cos alpha into sin beta is equals to what? 90 minus alpha. 90 minus alpha is equals to sin alpha. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Cos 90 kada, so it is the odd multiples of 90, so ratio will change, cos becomes sin, so sin alpha minus cos alpha into sin 90, odd multiples of 90, cos sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, so cos alpha. Sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha minus cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. But here we know the value of sin alpha only, we don't know the value of cos alpha. మనకు sin alpha వాల్యూ తెలుసు, మనకి cos alpha తెలీదు. సో ఏం చేయాలంటే బై యూజింగ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ఐడెంటిటీ? sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So cos square theta is equals to what will happen? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. By using identity, write cos square theta value. Cos square theta is equals to what? 1 minus sin square theta, and is equals to sin square alpha minus cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, sin square alpha. Now is equals to sin square alpha, sin square alpha. So minus into plus minus 1. Minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square alpha, sin square alpha. So minus into plus minus 1, minus into minus plus sin square alpha. So sin square alpha plus sin square alpha, 2 sin square alpha, 2 sin square alpha minus 1. Now substitute the value of sin alpha. What is from equation? Take it as equation number 1. Sin alpha is equals to what? A by b. Substitute here 2 into a by b whole square minus 1, since from equation number 1, from 1 is equals to 2 into a by b whole square means a square by b square minus 1, a square by b square minus 1. Now take the LCM, denominator is 1, multiply with b square into 1, b square, so 2a square minus b square by b square, 2a square minus b square by b square. This is the value of sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Very very important 2 marks question. Now third question, first one. If cos a is equals to cos b is equals to minus 1 by 2 and a does not lie in the second quadrant, b does not lie in the third quadrant, then find the value of 4 sin b minus 3 tan a by tan b plus sin a. So what is given first? Right, given. What is given? Given cos a is equals to cos b is equals to minus 1 by 2. Cos a is equals to cos b is equals to minus 1 by 2. So cos a value is negative, cos b value is negative. Okay na? Cos a negative, cos b negative. And cos is negative in which quadrant? First quadrant all are positive. Second sin and cosec positive, tan and cos. So cos is negative in second quadrant and third quadrant. Cos is negative in second and third. First quadrant cos is positive and fourth quadrant also cos is positive. Here a does not lie in the second quadrant. So cos theta is negative if it is lies in second or third. Definitely గా యాంగిల్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? cos నెగటివ్ కదా, ఉంటే థర్డ్ లో సెకండ్ లో ఉండాలి ఆర్ థర్డ్ లో ఉండాలి. a does not lie in the second quadrant. a does not lie in the second quadrant అంటే a సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లేదు. సో a lies in the third quadrant. a lies in the third quadrant. Therefore a does not lie in the second quadrant. Therefore a lies in the third quadrant. Therefore a lies in the third quadrant. A lies in the third quadrant. Third. Right. Next, what about B? Angle B. B does not lie in the third quadrant. B does not lie means it lies in the second quadrant. B third lo ledha, definitely ekkada undali, second lo undali. Therefore B lies in the second quadrant. B lies in the second quadrant. B lies in the second quadrant. A lies in the third quadrant and B lies in the second quadrant. Now find what is given cos A. Cos A is equals to 1 by 2. Cos A value, cos B value minus 1 by 2. Same. By using Pythagoras, take it as A, B, C. So cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value 1. So hypotenuse value 2. So what is AB value by using Pythagoras? AB is equals to 2 square 4 minus 1 root. AC square is by PT. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. We don't know AB value. So AC value 2. 2 square into 4. BC left out minus 1 is equals to AB square. This implies AB is equals to root 3. AB value what? Root 3 value. AB is equals to. Now we need sin A value, tan A value. Sin A. Find sin A. Sin A is equals to. Sin A is equals to. See, angle A lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. A lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin is negative. In third quadrant, sin is negative. So take negative sign. Okay na? What is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. So root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Okay na? So take this as angle. Okay. Next tan theta is equals to what? Tan A is equals to what? Tan theta is in third quadrant. Tan is positive. So opposite by adjacent, root 3 by 1, root 3. Tan A is equals to root 3. Now we need sin B value, tan B value. Sin B. Sin B is equals to, angle B lies in which quadrant? B lies in the second quadrant. B lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. In second quadrant, sin is positive. So sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, root 3 by 2. Sin B is equals to root 3 by 2. Next, tan B. We need tan B. Tan B is equals to, in second quadrant, B lies in the second quadrant. B lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. So minus opposite by adjacent. So minus root 3 by 1 is equals to root 3 minus root 3. Sin B is equals to root 3 by 2. Tan B is equals to minus root 3. Now find the value of 4 sin B. Now 4 sin B minus 3 tan A divided by tan B plus sin A. Tan B plus sin A. Tan B plus sin A is equals to, substitute the values. 4 into sin B value is root 3 by 2. 4 into root 3 by 2 minus 3 into tan A value. A is equals to tan A value root 3. Root 3 by tan B value. Tan B is equals to minus root 3 plus sin A is equals to minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. 4, take the LCM here. 2 3 is 6. 4 root 3 minus 6 root 3 by 2. Here also take LCM. 2 is the LCM. 2 root 3 by minus 2 root 3 minus root 3 by 2 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. 4 root 3 minus 6 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 by minus 2 root 3 minus root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. My negative minus gets cancelled. Answer is, final answer is 2 by 3. Okay na? So this is a solution of third one, first question. Now third question, second one. If 8 tan A is equals to minus 15 and 25 sin B is equals to minus 7, and neither A nor B is in the fourth quadrant. Neither A nor B is in the fourth quadrant. Then show that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equals to minus 304 by 425. First given, what is given? Given 8 tan A is equals to minus 15 and 25 sin B is equals to minus 7. 25 sin B is equals to minus 7. So send 8 to the right side. So tan A is equals to, what will happen? Tan A is equals to minus 15 by 8. Tan A is equals to minus 15 by 8. And sin B is equals to, here also same, send right side, minus 7 by 25. Minus 7 by 25. Here what is given? Neither A nor B is in the fourth quadrant. That means A does not lie in the fourth quadrant and B also does not lie in the fourth quadrant. A and B does not lie in the fourth quadrant. So A and B, neither A nor B is in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. That means A does not lie in the fourth quadrant and B also does not lie in the fourth quadrant. These are quadrants. What is tan given? Tan is negative. Tan is negative in which quadrant? First quadrant all are positive. Second sin positive. Third tan positive. And fourth cos positive. Tan is negative in which quadrant? Second quadrant and fourth quadrant, but is a given A does not lie in the fourth quadrant. So A lies in the second quadrant because tan is negative in two quadrants, second quadrant and fourth quadrant. The question given A does not lie in the fourth, so that means A lies in the second quadrant. Therefore A lies in the second quadrant. Next, what about B? What is the ratio given? Sin B. Sin B is equals negative. Sin is negative in which quadrant? First quadrant all are positive. Second is sin positive. First two quadrants are sin positive. Third and fourth are sin is negative. In third quadrant, fourth quadrant sin is negative. But here given B does not lie in the fourth quadrant. So B lies in the third quadrant. Sin third quadrant lo fourth negative undali. Question లో B does not lie in the fourth అని ఇచ్చింది కదా, డెఫినెట్ గా B థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఉండాలి. Therefore B lies in the third quadrant. A lies in the second quadrant and B lies in the third quadrant. Now what is given? Tan A. Tan A is equals to minus 15 by 8. Tan theta is equals to what? Take one ratio. Take this as A, B, C. So tan A is equals to opposite by adjacent. So 15 by 8. 50. This is 15. This is 8. So we can find AC. So AC square is equals to what? AC square is equals to 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square 225 plus 8 square 64 is equals to 225 plus 16 4 289. 289 is equals to 17 square. So AC is equals to what? AC is equals to 17. AC value 17. AC value is 17. From this figure find remaining. Sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Here I am finding what sin B kada. So A B C is 90 degrees. So the opposite 7, hypotenuse 25. Find AB. By using Pythagoras theorem, how can you find? AB square is equals to what will happen? AC square minus CA square. 25 square minus 7 square. So 25 square 625 minus 49. 576. 576 means 14 square. Sorry, 24 square. So AB is equals to 24. AB is equals to 24. So this value is 24. AB is equals to 24. Here this value is 15. This is 17. This is 8. Okay na? Now we have to find the value of sin A. Sin A already, sin A not given. Sin A. Sin A is equals to, A lies in the which quadrant? Please remember, A lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. In second quadrant, sin is positive. So from this angle, sin A is equals to what? Opposite by hypotenuse, 15 by 8. Sin A is equals to 15 by 8. Sorry, 15 by 17. Opposite by hypotenuse, 17. 15 by 17. Next we need cos A. Cos A is equals to, in second, A lies in the second quadrant. So in second quadrant, cos is negative. Cos A is equals to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So 8 by 17. 8 by 17. Next, from this one. So it's sin B. Next we need sin B, cos B or sin B. Cos B, sin B. Sin B is equals to what? In the question given already. Minus 7 by 25. Minus 7 by 25. Next we need cos B. Cos B is equals to, here cos B is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. But B lies in the which quadrant? B lies in the third quadrant. B lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative. Adjacent value is 24. Hypotenuse 25. 24 by 25. 24 by 25. Now substitute the values. Take LHS. LHS is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B plus cos A sin B. Sin A value, what is sin A value? 15 by 17. Cos B value minus 24 by 25. Minus 24 by 25 plus cos A. Cos A value minus 8 by 17 into sin B value minus 7 by 25. Minus 7 by 25. Right. So 25 into 15. 25 into 24 into 15, 240 plus 120, 360. Minus 360. By 25 into 17, 425. 425. 25 tens are 250 plus 7s are 125. Right. 425. Minus into minus plus 8 7s are 56 by 425. Minus 360 plus 56. Minus 304. Minus 300. LCM is minus 360 plus 56 by 425 is equals to minus 304 by 425. This is the RHS. This is a RHS. Third question, third problem. If ABCD are angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, then prove that first one, sin A minus sin C is equals to sin D minus sin B. Second one, cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equals to 0. So here given ABCD are angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic means if all the vertices of a quadrilateral lies on the circle, then that is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Suppose this is a quadrilateral ABCD. Suppose this is circle. All the vertices of a quadrilateral lies on the circle. That quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. Here ABCD are angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. All vertices are lies on a circle. So in a cyclic quadrilateral we have one condition. Sum of opposite angles is equals to 180 degrees. In a cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is equals to 180. Sum of opposite angles is equals to, sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees. Angles is 180 degrees. Sum of opposite angles is equals to 180 degrees. Here what are opposite angle? Angle A and angle C. So sum of these triangles is equals to 180. A plus C is equals to 180 degrees. And B plus D also equals to 180 degrees. B plus D is equals to 180 degrees. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is equals to 180 degrees. From this we can write C is equals to 180 minus A. 180 degrees minus A. From this we can write D is equals to 180 minus B. 180 minus B. Now we have to prove first one. In A, First take LHS. LHS is equals to what is LHS? Sin A minus sin C. Sin A minus sin C. Sin A minus sin C. Now substitute C value here 180 minus A. Substitute C is equals to what? 180 minus A. So sin A minus sin 180. C is equals to what? 180 minus A. C is equals to 180 minus A is equals to sin A. సో 180 ఈజ్ ఏ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఈవెన్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 90 అంటే 92 180 రాయొచ్చు మనం అంటే ఈవెన్ మల్టిపుల్స్ కదా అంటే సైన్కి రేషియో సైన్ వస్తుంది ఓకేనా రేషియో డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్ 180 మైనస్ ఏ లైస్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రెంట్ 180 నుండి ఏదైనా యాంగిల్ మైనస్ చేస్తే మన సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రెంట్లో వస్తుంది సో 180 మైనస్ ఏ లైస్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రెంట్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రెంట్ సైన్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రెంట్ సైన్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్ సో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా మైనస్ తీసుకుంటున్నా సో సైన్ 180 మైనస్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు సైన్ ఏ ఓన్లీ so sin A sin 180 minus theta is equals to sin theta since sin 180 minus theta is equals to sin theta because 180 is a even multiples of 90 92 is a even number 2 అంటే even number అంటే రేషియో sin కి sin రావాలి 180 minus theta అంటే lies in second quadrant in second quadrant sin is positive so I am taking sin theta so sin A gets cancelled what is the answer 0 LHS is equals to 0 okay na now take the RHS. RHS is equals to what is RHS given? Sin D minus sin B. Sin D minus sin B. Sin D minus sin B. Right? D is equals to what? D is equals to 180 minus B. Same here also. Sin 180 minus B. 180 minus B minus sin B. Same apply this formula. Sin 180 minus theta is equals to what? Sin theta. So write sin B minus sin B. So sin B gets cancelled. So answer is 0. RHS will also equals 0. LHS is equals to RHS. LHS value is 0 and RHS values both values are equal. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. What is LHS? Sin A minus sin C. Therefore sin A minus sin C is equals to sin A minus sin C is equals to what is RHS? Sin D minus sin B. Sin D minus sin B. This is a solution of first one. Sin A minus sin C is equals to sin D minus sin B. Now take second one. What is B? Take LHS. LHS is equals to cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. Same substitute C value 180 minus A, substitute D value 180 minus B. So cos A plus cos B. C is equals to what? 180 minus A. Cos 180 minus A. Cos 180 minus A plus D is equals to 180 minus D is equals to 180 minus B. Cos 180 minus B. Cos 180 minus B. So cos A, right, as it is cos A plus cos B. See here cos 180. Cos 180 means even multiples of 90. 92 is 180 kada and ratio cos ki cos A ravali. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. Second quadrant cos ఎలా ఉంటుంది నెగటివ్ కదా సో దిస్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ మైనస్ cos A. సో దిస్ ఆల్సో మైనస్ cos B. ఇది కూడా 180 మైనస్ ఈవెన్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 90 అంటే ఈవెన్ మల్టిపుల్స్ కదా సో cos కి cos A రావాలి 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. So in second quadrant cos is negative. So take negative sign minus cos B. Or we can apply this formula cos 180 minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. See cos A gets cancelled, cos B gets cancelled is equals to 0. This is the RHS. This is the RHS. Therefore cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equals to 0. This is a solution of third question, third one. Now fourth question, first one, very very important 2 marks question, very very important model. First one, if a cos theta minus b sin theta is equals to c, then show that a sin theta plus b cos theta is equals to plus or minus root over a square plus b square minus c square. So first we will do solution of first one. So what is given? Given a cos theta minus b sin theta is equals to c. A sin theta minus b sin theta is equals to c. Take it as equation number 1. Now we have to prove that a sin theta plus b cos theta is equals to plus or minus root over a square plus b square minus c square. Now take this value as some variable. Take x. Let take this LHS value only. Let a sin theta plus b cos theta is equals to x. A sin theta plus b cos theta is equals to x. Take it as equation number 2. Now squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. Squaring, first do squaring and then adding. Squaring and adding. Squaring and adding equations 1 and 2. Equations 1 and 2. Squaring and adding equations 1 and 2. So do squaring a cos theta from equation 1. A cos theta minus b sin theta whole square plus from equation 2 LHS do squaring and adding a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square is equals to RHS c square plus x square. C square plus x square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square. First what? A means what? A cos theta. B means b sin theta. First do a square a cos theta whole square minus 2ab. Minus 2 into a means a cos theta. A cos theta. B means b sin theta. B sin theta plus b square. B sin theta whole square. B sin theta whole square. Finished. Next, it is in the form of a plus b whole square form. A plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square. A means what? A sin theta. A sin theta whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a sin theta into b cos theta. B cos theta plus b square. B cos theta whole square. B cos theta whole square is equals to what is RHS? C square plus x square. C square plus x square. See these two terms minus 2ab cos theta sin theta here plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Both terms are equal but they have opposite sign. Ikkada plus unte ikkada minus undi. So we can cancel these two terms. Same term 2a 2a b sin theta cos theta same terms. Okay na? So a cos theta whole square means a square cos square theta. A square cos square theta plus b sin theta whole square b square sin square theta. B square sin square theta plus a sin theta whole square. A square sin square theta. A square sin square theta plus b cos theta whole square. B square cos square theta. B square cos square theta is equals to c square plus x square. C square plus x square. Now take out a square common from first these two terms and b square common from these two terms. Okay na? So take out a square common, remaining what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Take b square common. If I take b square common, what is the remaining? Sin square theta, cos square theta. Sin square, take b square common, remaining what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to c square plus x square. C square plus x square. We know identity, trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this value is equals to 1 and this value also equals to 1. So substitute values a square into 1 plus, because by using identity b square into 1, b square into 1 is equals to c square plus x square. A square into 1 a square plus b square, send c square left side, minus c square is equals to x square. So x square is equals to what? A square plus b square minus c square. X becomes what? Plus or minus under root. So x is equals to root right hand side, square right hand side, it becomes root. Plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c. What is x value? X is equals to plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. Now substitute x value in equation 2. In equation 2. So 2 implies a sin theta plus b cos theta is equals to what? X kada? Is equals to x. Substitute x value here is equals to plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. So this is the result we have to prove. A sin theta plus b cos theta is equals to plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. So this is a solution of first one. Now second one, if 3 sin a plus 5 cos a is equals to 5, then show that 5 sin a minus 3 cos a is equals to plus or minus 3. Solution of second one. First, what is given? Take given, write given. Given 3 sin a plus 5 cos a is equals to 5. 5 cos a is equals to 5. Take it as equation number 1 and take this value as some variable. ఏదో ఒక వేరియబుల్ తీసుకోండి. లెట్ 5 sin a minus 3 cos a is equals to a. Let 5 sin a minus 3 cos a is equals to a. 5 sin a minus 3 cos a is equals to a. Take it as equation number 2. Now squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. Squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. Squaring and adding equations 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Do squaring and adding. Equation 1 do squaring. LHS 3 sin a plus 5 cos a whole square. 5 cos a whole square plus LHS of equation 2 5 sin a minus 3 cos a whole square. 3 cos a whole square is equals to RHS 5 square plus a square. 5 square plus a square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square form. First a square. 3 sin a whole square. 3 sin a whole square means 3 square means 9. 9 sin okay. We will do next step. 3 sin a whole square plus 2ab. 2 into 3 sin a into 5 cos a. Into 5 cos a plus b square. B square means 5 cos a whole square. 5 cos a whole square. Next, it is in the form of a minus b whole square form. So a square 5 sin a whole square minus 2ab minus 2 into 5 sin a into 3 cos a plus b square 3 cos a whole square. 3 cos a whole square is equals to what? RHS 5 square 25. 25 plus a square. 25 plus a square. So 3 sin a whole square means 3 square 9. 9 sin square a plus 2 3s are 6. 6 5 is 30. 30 sin a cos a. 30 sin a cos a plus 5 square 25. 25 cos square a. 25 cos square a. Next 5 square 25. 25 sin square a. 25 sin square a plus 2 5s are 10. 10 3 30 minus 30 sin a cos a minus 30 sin a cos a. Next 3 square 9 plus 9 cos square a. 9 cos square a is equals to 25 plus a square. 25 plus a square plus 30 sin a cos a minus 30 sin a cos a gets cancelled. 9 sin square a plus 9 cos square a. Take out 9 common and write. So 9 into 9 common rasuna 2 terms, this term. So take out 9 common. Sin square a plus cos square, or directly we can write 9 sin square a plus 25 sin square a. What is the answer? 25 plus 9 34. 34 sin square a. 34 sin square a plus 25 cos square a plus 9 cos square a, 34 cos square a. Cos square a is equals to 25 plus a square. 25 plus a square. Take out 34 common. Sin square a plus sin square cos square a is equals to 25 plus a square. By using trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This value is equals to 1. So 34 into 1 is equals to 25 plus a square. 25 plus a square. 34 ones are 34. So send 25 left side. 34 minus 25 is equals to a square. A square is equals to 34 minus 25 9. A is equals to becomes plus or minus root 9. A is equals to plus or minus root 9. Root 9 value is 3. A is equals to plus or minus 3. What is a value? A is equals to plus or minus 3. Substitute a value in equation 2. In equation 2. So equation 2 implies 5 sin a minus 3 cos a is equals to 5 sin a minus 3 cos a is equals to what value? A. A means what? A means plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 3. This is very very important 2 marks question. Very important 2 marks question. Same model problem. In textbook we have page number 230 example 7. Page number 230 solve problem 7. Same model. Do that as homework because it is very important. Page number 230. Page number 230 we have exam problem 7. Example solve problem 7. That also same model. That also very important 2 marks question.